Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Amravati location. It is from Maharashtra. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for network sales executive and direct sales executive positions from Kashkaro. For these positions, the candidate must have 3 years of work experience or else fresher candidates also can apply. And if you see the salary, it will be 1.8 to 3.5 lakhs per annum depending on your experience and location. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for community lead position for a leading NBFC. For this position, the candidate should have graduation and with exception written and oral communicational skills and good customer service and interpersonal skills. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for freelance field network engineer position from Galiocos. For this position, you must have 1 year of experience in routing and switching. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for telecom engineer or field engineer position from Rosenberger Electronics Company Private Limited. For this position, you must have qualifications like engineering or diploma in electronics and communications, and electronics will be preferred. And you please check once all the key responsibilities for this position. And interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive or area sales manager position from Gurina Commercials Private Limited. For this position, the candidate should have minimum graduation or an experience in selling construction chemicals, and it should have leadership quality, presentable and good communication skills like English, Hindi, Marathi and Gujarati, and you should have prior experience in sales and business development. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And for more detailed information, you please visit the website link provided here. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from 4 Pillar Construction India Private Limited. And if you see the job roles, for the position of store officer, you must have graduation and you should have 2 to 4 years of work experience. Next one, for the position of purchase officer, you must have graduation and you must have 2 to 4 years of work experience in the same field. And next one, for the position of supervisor civil, you must have graduation and you should have 1 to 2 years of work experience. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for PCT Physics and PCT Chemistry position for a reputed institution, and it is from Statism EduServe Private Limited. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for district head position for liability product, and it is from Sahyog Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society Limited. For this position, you must have any graduation and you should have 5 to 10 years of work experience in cooperative society, and you should have work experience from liability products like FD, RD, DD and CSA, and you must have team handling experience. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, There is a job opening for branch manager position for agency channel, and it is for leading health insurance company. For this position, you must have minimum 5 years of work experience in insurance sales, and you should have the age below 36 years, and you are going to get a salary up to 9 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.